Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie from scratch updated. Start by assembling 2 cups flour, 1/2 tsp salt, 6 tablespoon cold butter, and 3 to 4 tablespoon ice water to form dough. Chill the dough for 30 minutes while you peel and slice 6 apples, toss them with 3 tablespoon sugar, 1 tsp cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice before filling. Handle the dough gently and keep it cold to ensure flakiness. Aim for about 3.5 mm thickness when rolling. Layer a chilled bottom crust into your pie dish, add the apple filling evenly, then top with a lattice or full crust. Brush with an egg wash, sprinkle a little sugar, and chill for 15 minutes before baking to reduce shrinkage and help set the shape. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're cozy and built to last, perfect when you're standing at the counter peeling apples. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, enjoy faster warm feet while baking. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and bake the pie until the crust is golden and the filling bubbles, usually 45 to 55 minutes depending on oven. Let the pie cool at least 2 hours so the filling sets for clean slices. Serve slightly warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream, and store leftovers covered at room temperature for up to 2 days or refrigerated for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.